So this is the steps and bridges walk again, just went through that tunnel. Got loads of some waterfalls around here. There's one of the bridges. Quite steep. Nice jug, vase, waterfall there. The fountain around the corner, fortunately behind the tree. So up and over we go. Steady. The fountain down there. Can't really zoom in because I've got got a leaflet in my other hand. Can't really get any luck of seeing the one round the corner there, fortunately. So yeah, following this round then. There we go, I can see that one better now. Oh shit. Ah, right. And I do believe that's the end of that. Nice viewpoint over there. Check out these black fish. Got another view of the fountain over there.